Hello and welcome to Alternative to Conservatory Blinds, part of the Smashgard group. My name's Darren, and in this short video you'll find out who we are, what we do, and more importantly how our films can really make a difference. If you're one of those that struggles to use your conservatory because of heat, glare or fading, then our films are for you. We install a film to glass, polycarbonate plastic roofs or side glass that stops all this, and at a fraction of the cost of blinds, drapes or tiled fixed roofs. Letting natural light into the room and more importantly adjoining rooms, our films are easy maintenance and the most cost-effective way of providing a solution to your conservatory. No more expensive sagging roof blinds that trap dust, dirt and dead insects. Our films are virtually maintenance free, giving you all the protection you need and still allowing perfect views out through the glass at the sky and the clouds. Reducing excessive heat and glare, making your conservatory usable on the hottest of days, our films will reduce fading of furniture and even hold the glass together in the unlikely event a panel should break. No more pulling the blinds up when it's an overcast day, pulling them closed when it's a sunny day. Our films will work 12 months of the year in all conditions, allowing you to enjoy your conservatory as it should be. And with us all spending more time at home because of the pandemic, whether it's because of restrictions, our self-awareness or working from home, our films allow you to use your conservatory as a main room rather than an unusable one because of the sun. Yes, we've seen it all in the past, pop-up gazebos inside conservatories, parasols with those inside huddled underneath, rows of baseball caps to be worn because of the glare, and even tarpaulins thrown over the roof. Our films can stop all of that and more. And as a company, we put you first, giving you the best advice and highest quality films. If for any reason it won't work, we'll tell you. If you don't need it, or if we think you can save you money, again we'll tell you by standing by our motto, your satisfaction is our priority. We want you to tell others about us and how amazing our films are, hence our 5-star reviews on Google, Trustpilot and Facebook, showing our commitment over the last 16 years to you, the customer. And as a small company based in Loughborough, Leicestershire, and there are only 3 of us, where you are in the country depends on if we can assist you or not. If it's just 1 or 2 panels that need doing, then this might not be possible, although we can keep you on file for when we are in the area to help reduce or even eliminate fuel and mileage charges. For complete roofs, full side glass, we'd be happy to discuss. As with all customers, we wish to keep the cost down as low as possible for you. With over 300 other films available, frosted, opaque, mirrored to name a few, whatever your concern, we can discuss and tailor a film to assist you in the best and most effective way possible. So thank you for watching. We hope you like our website, and any questions, please feel free to contact us either by calling Lynn in the office, by email, filling out the online inquiry forms found on this website, or booking an appointment to visit our showroom so you can see for yourself the films on our windows. And new for 2022 is our virtual showroom visit by WhatsApp video call. This means that if you live at distance from us or prefer to see the films from the comfort of your own home, you can book an appointment for us to video call you, which is normally every 4th Sunday between 10 and 3. You get to meet me, Darren, the director of the company, and the person who will carry out your installation, which then allows for you to discuss your requirements, ask questions, and hopefully feel confident that you have the right people for the job. And we have done over 1,000 conservatory installations. We're not a large company that treats you as just another customer. By being small, we treat every customer as a friend, just how we would like to be treated. You won't get friendlier than Lynn in the office, who was originally a customer of ours. And because of her kind nature, we just had to employ her, with customers always commenting on how nice she is. Just don't tell her, she'll want a pay rise. So thank you for taking time to watch this. Stay safe, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.